So hello friends, if you want to take admission in a top central university like Delhi University or JNU or BHU, then this video is for you. So hello everyone, my name is Sarth Marwa and I teach aptitude to CUCET aspirants. So today I am going to discuss that what are the benefits that CUCET exam will bring for the university aspirants. So let's get started. So the first benefit the CUCET exam will bring, that it will reduce the sky high cutoffs, it will reduce the 100% cutoffs in DU. See, every year we see that in DU the cutoffs reach 100%. So it will end the rat race of 100% cutoffs. Second benefit it will bring, that it will reduce the pressure and stress on students due to the 100% cutoff, right. The third benefit which the CUCET will bring is it will ensure the inter-board parity in admissions. See, in India there are different boards. In certain boards the student gets more marks, and in some other boards the students don't get that much marks. So presently what happens is, the boards in which the students get more marks, these students can easily get admission into DU, college like DU, because their admission process is merit based. But the students from boards who have got lesser marks, they are find it difficult to get admissions into colleges like DU, into universities like DU. Now this is going to end very soon. So students from such boards will also be able to get admission into the top colleges. Benefit number 4 which it will bring, that it will make the exam process more objective and transparent, and it will remove the variations that come due to the subjective paper checking in board exams, right. Because the CUCET will be an objective exam, so it will make the process completely objective and transparent. What happens in board exams is there is a lot of some kind of variation because of the subjective paper checking. Now that variation will get removed. Okay, so this was the fourth benefit. The fifth benefit is that it will select students based on their concepts, based on their aptitude in a particular subject rather than rote memorization in the board exams. Okay, because what happens is that to secure good marks in board exams, students just they memorize the concepts and then they just write the paper. But now this will not work. Now as students will have to work on their aptitude and concepts. Benefit number 6, that it will reduce the pressure of studies and time. As students, as they don't need to give separate exams for different universities like DU, JNU, BHU. So previously students had to appear for different exams for entry into different universities. Now that is going to change now, because one exam will give entry to all the 54 central universities of India. The benefit number 7 which it will bring, that it will reduce the financial burden of students, because the students don't need to fill up the form of different universities. With the help of one form only, the students can apply to all the 55 central universities of India. Also, they don't need to travel to different test centers. So again it will be beneficial for students. Benefit number 8 is for students who are from rural background. They will get an equal opportunity to get admission in all the central universities of India just by filling up one form and just by giving in one exam. Okay. Then the last benefit is the students from different backgrounds can also secure admissions in top central universities, because the CUCET exam will be conducted in 12 scheduled languages. So these are the benefits of CUCET exam, and I will be taking some free, I will be teaching you free on YouTube for the CUCET exam, and I will be discussing with you the preparation strategy, the syllabus, and some kind of free lectures. So please subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much.